Hello viewer, Team Fortune Plus welcomes you for education presentation on disruption in financial system and future wealth opportunity. And this presentation is organized by MarketPeak. Before I move into the next slide, I request you to follow us on our Facebook fan page at Team Fortune Plus MP and subscribe our YouTube channel at MarketPeak-Team Fortune Plus. About myself, my name is Dr. Sarfraz Sayyed. By profession, I'm engineer and also Six Sigma certified process engineer. As an entrepreneur, I'm very good in e-commerce and cryptocurrency businesses. You can follow me on my LinkedIn page, Dr. Sarfraz Sayyed. I'm also a knowledge partner and advisor for MarketPeak, founder and director of Intelligent Academy, and also founding leader of Team Fortune Plus. In today's session, you are going to learn about five main topics. The first thing is disruption in financial system. The second one is crypto assets and its demand. Third thing, blockchain technology and its use cases. The fourth thing, decentralized finance and future growth. The fifth, education, investment, and business opportunity. So let's get started with the first topic, disruption in financial system. Now, to understand disruption finance system, you also should know how the evolution of payment system and money happen. So around 100 years or million years ago, the people still used to do a trade, but that time there was no payment system, even though there is no money. They used to do a trade via the services or goods they have each other. So in this way, they used to survive and run their life. But after that, they found that this is not sustainable and reliable model, and then they shifted to the new solution that we called as metal system, and this was around 3000 years before Christ. So in this metal system, people used to create a coins of metallic system, and the coins may be of silver, gold, or any kind of metal, or even leather coins. So this system came into reality and in transaction during that time. Later again, as a revolution, people found that this is also not suitable and difficult to handle because of the costliest metal, and there was a handling problem and even carrying problems, and then they found the next version of currency or money in the form of paper somewhere around 19th century. So this system has become more popular and still we are using that. But even though there are issues in this system, first of all, this currency system is in the form of paper. There is a high chance of it getting destroyed or maybe burnt or can be reprinted or can be copied. So there are many other issues which financial institutions are facing on paper currencies. So now to solve this kind of problems due to the development of technology, the next way of money came into the market is in the form of plastic. So that we call the plastic currency somewhere around 1980s. So the plastic currency means the paper currency is converted into digital format in the form of card that we called as debit card, credit card, or any kind of prepaid or postpaid cash cards. So this is the next revolution. So you can carry your money into a plastic card, no need of carrying big money. So apart from that, in 21st century, there is a big revolution in technology. Internet came into the market, so that has given a new face to this currency and payment system that is called digital currencies. Here we avoiding even the plastic and paper currency both. We use our electronic devices to transact between two parties or two entities. So that will be in the form of PayPal or maybe Bitcoin, Amazon Pay, or there are many different virtual payment wallets or gateways via which we can transact without physical touch. So this is how the money has evolved every decades, centuries, and as per the new revolution, the money is getting new phase. So this is where currently we are standing. But along with that, we're also moving to the next revolution that we called as completely non-custodial currencies, that is cryptocurrencies. So this is the next revolution already we are in, and very soon we are going to adopt in a bigger way in global level. Let us understand what is cryptocurrency in general. Cryptocurrencies are the digital form of units or tokens used to communicate and transact between two network nodes as a proof of trade or contract. Hence, it is also termed as currency, because in the similar way, we can use this to trade these units or tokens. Hence, it is considered as a currency. So there are some key characteristics of these currencies. First of all, these currencies are encrypted form of alphanumeric digital codes, but they are not in physical format. They are into cryptographic encrypted numericals. Second, these currencies are run on distributed ledger technology, DLT, and that system under technology is blockchain. So these currencies are not run by the institutions or banks or any reserve uh, central banks. So it is completely run on distributed technology, and that is we called as blockchain. And due to the it is encrypted and it is completely distributed, it cannot be deleted, destroyed, or hacked, because it has no physical presence, and it is also deployed on multiple nodes of the blockchain technology. The fourth point, it is peer-to-peer currency. So the transaction can be done between two person, that we call the person-to-person or peer-to-peer, and transaction mode we can do without any intermediator. So we avoid intermediate like bank or any brokers to do any kind of transactions or trade, and that could be across the world. Another key characteristics of the cryptocurrencies are limited in supply, and it's created by algorithmic mining process called proof of work. That means the creation or quantity of this currency is already defined and they are limited. We cannot create or mint more than that. So supply is limited here. So when the supply is limited, there is no fixed face value for these currencies, because it is defined by the supply and demand theory. If the supply of the cryptocurrency is less and demand is more, the face value of the coin or token is going to increase. And if the supply is more, demand is less, then the price may go down. So in this way, due to the market supply and demand, the face value of this currency may fluctuate. And in this way, this will control the inflation and deflation of the market. So it is self-sustainable currencies. And another point, it is not governed by any country or financial authorities. It is independent of any financial institutions or central banks. And the unit can be divided up to 8 decimal places. The cryptocurrencies can be divided up to very fraction level, maximum up to 8 decimal levels. And this is the another the simplicity of using of these cryptocurrencies. And finally, the cryptocurrency is also termed as digital assets and commodities. So this will be treated as a virtual gold. So finally, in single word, if I want to say what is cryptocurrency, cryptocurrency is a money of internet world, transacted through electronic devices connected across the world via blockchain technology. So this is the single line statement about cryptocurrencies. Now let us move to the next topic. What is crypto assets and its demand? So there are lots of crypto assets or tokens are existing in the industry. So cryptographic tokens or currencies are also known as assets and also known as digital commodities. So current status of crypto market as on September 2020. So there are total 7,000 plus cryptocurrencies are in existence. Okay, and also the total market capital of all types of cryptocurrency, if you add, it is as on today is 354 billion US dollars. And if you can see on the chart here, you can see the graph from 2013 to August 30, 2020. So complete 7 years approximate, and you can see how there is a growth in this crypto industry. In 2018, yes, there was a big growth, and then it is neutralized, and now still it is growing after the 2018. So now the market capital is at 354 billion. That means from 2013 until 2020 now, this industry has grown 300 plus times. And you can see the huge transactions started happening in 2019 and 2020, and in future it's going to increase more and more. So this is how this industry is growing gradually, and now it is exponentially. And apart from that, in this complete market capital, the bigger dominance is Bitcoin. 57% of total market cap is governed by Bitcoin. So this source of information oscillated by coin market cap. Even to get the live information, you can visit coin market cap. As on today, 50 million plus people of the world populations are in crypto, and we have around 7.8 billion world population. And if you count 50 million, it is just 0.6% of the world population. So there is a big scope, and lots of people are about to come in this industry, and the increased rate of this industry or users per year is 50 to 100% and growing exponentially in coming years. Now, let us know about the top crypto assets as on today. There are, as I said, there are 7,000 plus cryptocurrencies are available or tokens available in market capital. So there are few top currencies which are performing very well. In that, the number one is Bitcoin. And Bitcoin, the market capital is approximate 202 uh, billion dollars, and the current price of Bitcoin in 2020 is approximately $10,994, and it will fluctuate. It is fluctuating, and you can check a live result on Coin Market Cap. Now, if I talk about the Bitcoin, Bitcoin was started in 2009 just at a price of cent. Okay, now it is 10,000, means $11,000 in 10 years. So can you imagine this Bitcoin has grown more than million times in last 10 years. So just imagine if you would have invested even $1, today it would have become at least maybe 100,000 or $1 million. So it has a big growth over here. Even the second top currency is Ethereum. Ethereum started somewhere around 2015, again at the price of cent. Now it is approximately $379. Even if you bought the Ethereum, so you would have made maybe in lakh times. Okay, so in this way, there are different top cryptocurrencies. You can refer coin market cap, and you can analyze different currencies and their growth. Okay, so these are the top 10 cryptocurrencies on crypto capital. Now, digital assets have grown more than 1,000 times. Okay, this is the average, and in last 1 decade, and grow even more times in upcoming years. So this is the industry where it's going to give you the great results, great growth. So it's a time to act and think on and learn about this industry. Now, about the future demand, what is going to happen in next 5 to 6 years? So whatever market capital I told before, around 350 billion US dollar, it's going to hit 24 trillion dollar by year 2027, and that's nothing but approximate 24,000 times. Still is going to grow, and this is going to contribute approximate 10% of the global GDP. Now, if you can refer this graph here, we are projecting, giving information about the projected tokenized market volume until 2027 in trillion dollar by asset class. So what do you mean asset class? In global GDP, there are different types of assets going to contribute as a market capital, maybe equity, bonds, home equity, investment funds, and other financial assets. They're also going to contribute global GDP. Now, under that all contribution, tokenized assets like cryptocurrencies or crypto tokens are also going to play a bigger role. So now if you can see, this graph is plotted from 2019 to 2027, and our expectation in 2020, this market capital, means cryptocurrency market capital, is going to hit at least $1 trillion, and it's going to grow exponentially year by year, and by 2027 it's going to hit approximately $24 trillion. That means this $24 trillion is going to contribute at least 10% of the global GDP by year 2027. So this industry has a bigger potential as an investment and also the growth of your funds. So it's time to again focus and dedicate your investment or your assets towards this industry. So decentralized finance system is the next revolution of digital and tokenized assets. So this is the place where you think now. Now let me take you through the third session that is called blockchain technology and use cases, because all the two elements, two topics which I spoke is totally depend on blockchain. So I want to explain you what is blockchain now. So blockchain is a digital record of transactions or data. Okay, it's a record of transactions or data. The name comes from its structure, okay, in which individual records are called blocks and are linked together in single list that is called chain. I will explain you via this block diagram. So blockchain is the underlying technology to do a P2P transaction, okay, that we call it as a cryptocurrency or any other transactions. So how does it work? So now assume that if you transfer any information could be a currency or data. Once it transfer in blockchain network, then the same information is getting distributed into multiple computers, because blockchain network is a distributed ledger where all the participants are connected on this network. So if you want to transfer a data, it will go into network and the same information is distributed among the all the computers, or we call it as a nodes. Okay, that is called P2P network. And now the data is verified by the all the nodes, and data is, if the data is same on all the computer or node, that is called validation. And once the validation happen, the all the computers confirm data is safe, and then now there is a block creation, a verified transaction, and this will be in the form of encrypted code, and that will be called as a hash number. So in this way, the block is created. Now this block is getting linked with existing block of the blockchain. Before this block, there are other blocks also formed. They are also in the line or chain. Now the new block is getting linked with the previous block of the data. So now in this form, there are previous many blocks already in the line or chain. So they are already interlinked, and new blocks also going into the same chain and getting interlinked. So all the blocks are interlinked here. So that's why it is called chain of the blocks. So once this chain of the block happens, then finally that creates a new transaction information, and finally the data or cryptocurrency is received by the receiver. So now complete this process we called as a blockchain, or this technology is called as a blockchain technology. Moving to next topic, the elements of blockchain. In the blockchain, records or transactions or data are in decentralized and distributed format. So now you'll understand what is centralized and decentralized. Centralized means, if you can see on this dot diagramma and the computer diagramma, in centralized there will be one server at center, and all the informations collected by the computer are stored in one server. So there is no connection between computer. All informations coming center place and stored. Now something happens wrong with the server, so all computer will lose the data. So this is the risk in centralized system. But now if I talk about the decentralized, so in decentralized there will be a multiple number of servers, or we called as a nodes. Okay, so all the other computers or nodes are interconnected, and the other systems also connected to multiple nodes. Okay, so in this way, if you see on the bottom diagram, now there is no server here, because these computers are interconnected on blockchain networks. So that means the data is distributed among all the computers, and it is copied on the all the computers. So this we called as a decentralized. That means data is not stored at one central location. It is stored on every computer, or we call it as a node. So this is how it is called decentralized or P2P network. Now, we also have a terminology called distributed ledger, nothing but distributed data. Okay, so now in this case, decentralized is similar in concept, but in distributed, all the nodes or all the computers are connected each other. So there is a very low chance the data is getting deleted or data is destroyed, because n number of nodes are in connection, and all data is getting transferred between all the nodes, and then it is copied at all the nodes. So it is difficult to delete all the nodes simultaneously or data simultaneously, so it cannot be deleted. Now same thing can be explained in the form of transaction, that is we called as decentralized ledger. Now, in this example, there is a Alice and Bob. They are the two parties going to exchange the data or information or money. Now, but in this process, you can see once the allies send some information, money, or any data, that directly before going to allies, it is getting distributed into the global blockchain network. That means as many as people are connected or computers are connected in this network of blockchain of these transactions. So the whatever information shared by allies is getting recorded on all these nodes or computers, and the data is getting verified by the all the nodes. If data is same on all the nodes, then it is called correct information, it is called verified. Then finally information with a verification with approved condition, it goes to Bob. So that means there are multiple approvals are available. So it is highly trustable and highly secure and more dominant data as consideration. Okay, so that's how the blockchain or decentralized ledger works here. I hope this will clarify your doubt about centralized, decentralized, and distributed ledger technology. Now, advantage and applications of blockchain. So first of all, blockchain is unalterable and copied only. So any information, once it is encrypted and connected into the block, it cannot be deleted or altered, but it can be copied to the next block. Okay, so this is the one of the advantage. And real-time tracking. So all datas are in real time and there is no time gap. Third is security. Security is very strong because data is copied or distributed on a multiple node. It's not difficult to delete, even though the blocks cannot be deleted because all the blocks are interrelated from the beginning till the end. Then no single point of failure because all data are distributed on multiple nodes. Transparency. Yes, there is a high transparency because all the informations are available on every node. If something goes wrong, the same information is also available on other nodes. So data is highly transferable. Reduce cost. Yes, the transactions or sharing of information will happen in a fraction of second across the world with no big fees or no intermediator. Trusted transaction because there will be a millions of approvals and it is very strong approvals, so it is trusted transactions and we don't require any third parties like bank or any approving authorities for any kind of data or transactions. So these are the few advantage of the blockchain. Now applications. Now in the applications, before I explain about the applications, I just wanted to iterate that the many people understand that blockchain is nothing but Bitcoin and Bitcoin is nothing but blockchain. So when we talk about the Bitcoin, there is always a threat or a kind of a worry about scam. Okay, but in generally the blockchain is not Bitcoin. I just want to reiterate here, blockchain is the underlying technology or operating system, just like a Windows or Unix or any other operating system. On this operating system, Bitcoin is one of the applications. Same like on Windows, Microsoft Office is one of the applications, and other services, other applications are operated on the operating system. So blockchain is acting as the operating system. Now on this operating system, there can be a thousands plus applications. There are four specific categories in this diagram. You can see the first category could be digital currencies, where we talk about e-commerce. Global payments like cryptocurrencies or remittance, P2P lending, and microfinance can be done on blockchain technology. And second area is record keeping, that is healthcare, title record, ownership, voting, and intellectual properties. So this can be the second sector on blockchain we can build. And third sector is securities, where equity, private market, debentures, crowdfunding, derivatives, all these financial services can be built on the blockchain. The fourth and most commonly used application that we called as smart contracts. Now, any kind of agreement or dealings can be done through a smart contract on blockchain in the area of digital rights, wages, and escrow. So these are the four special categories, and with these categories, we can build 1,000+ applications on blockchain technology. And again, Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency is one of the applications under digital currency category on blockchain. So blockchain is nothing but a big C here. So we can do a lot of things on blockchain. So due to that multiple application, the big financial institutions or banks have already adopted the blockchain technology. The whatever big names you are seeing in the slide are the banks or financial institutions or companies already running with blockchain solutions. Now let's move the fourth topic about decentralized finance and its growth. So referring to the blockchain technology and decentralized and distributed ledger, so decentralized finance is the next emerging area on blockchain technology. So before we go into decentralized finance, let us understand what is traditional or centralized finance. Here I am taking you example via bank. Now in traditional finance, if you go to the bank as a depositor, so you deposit your money in the bank. In the return of that, bank may give you some interest because you may do a saving account, maybe you are doing the fixed deposit or any kind of other investments. So the bank will promise you some interest on your money. Once you place the money in the bank, then you lose the control on the money because the custodian is goes to the bank. So but you will not be knowing what exactly happening with the money. So it is completely a black box for you once you deposit the money. But at the same time, bank also looks for the people who want to get take this money in the form of loan or any kind of other services that we call the borrower. Now your money is given to the other person and as a loan, and that person also charge or interest by the bank. That interest could be big money, but the whole money will not goes to you because bank also makes some profit out of your money, and they runs their institution, they pay the salary, everything. So there is a big transactional loss happening to you of your money. So but you get only limited part of this profits. So this is traditional system what currently running in the market. But when we talk about decentralized financial system with the blockchain and digital technology, we avoid the bank. Now the same service can be done without having the bank, and now you can directly communicate with the borrower, and you both people can decide the terms and conditions about your transactions and also interest rate. That will be done via smart contract by using the P2P lending platform. Now there is no transactional gap or no hidden cost which was done by the banks, because all the data, all the contract done between you and the borrower. So this platform only takes some kind of a transactions fee as a network fee to handle or to run the protocols. So this is called decentralized finance. Now, in brief, decentralized finance is the way of decentralized way of banking or financial ecosystem. Okay, and the fund management system for especially it is cryptocurrencies and for tokens. And this kind of a decentralized finance or smart contracts are developed on Ethereum blockchain, Bitcoin, or Tron blockchain. So the most popularly using is Ethereum blockchain. Now this will be operated by smart contracts or decentralized applications. Now, as I said, DeFi is the decentralized of banking. So whatever the banking services what you are getting before in decentralized financial finance system also, with the help of cryptocurrencies or tokens, you are also getting savings, lending, borrowing, staking, insurance, crowdfunding, and tokenization, etc., etc. benefit as the ecosystem. So there are several DeFi protocol platforms as they are already providing similar service like banks and benefits, but in the area of cryptocurrencies. So this DeFi protocol is also you can term as a bank. So in DeFi industry, we have different protocols in the name of Maker, Aave, Synthetics, Compound, Uniswap, Earn Finance, and the next coming is Peak. Now, these all protocols, what they are doing, they are accumulating the crypto fundings, and they provide kind of a lending benefit for the lenders. So now this industry, which is called DeFi industry, total volume locked, I mean, total amount locked on this industry is approximate US dollar 9 billion in last 1 year. You can collect more information on defipulse.com. So if you see on this total value locked in DeFi in last 1 year, starting from September 2019, it was just zero point 0.4 billion US dollar, and in September 2020, it is approximate $9 billion. And if you take this growth, it is exponential growth, and this industry has grown 18 times just in 1 year. And whatever protocols I told, these protocols are built on Ethereum, and every protocol is providing same like bank different services like DEX means here decentralized exchange service, then a lending service, asset management service, derivative service. And as a transparency, you can see on every protocol how much fund is landed or deposited as on today and every day or annually, and also you can check how much fluctuations of fund happening on this protocol. So that's why it is transparency. And as the bank has their own stocks, in the similar way DeFi protocol also have their own stock. Here we call it a token, and that token is also having the market face value. And you can find these DeFi tokens also on coin market cap, and these tokens also have the face value, and this face value is growing as per the demand of these protocols in the market. And if you consider from last 1 year, the value of these all DeFi protocol tokens has grown approximate 20 times in 1 year. So this is also an excellent benefit and growth you can get from these DeFi protocols. And coming years, maybe next 2 to 5 years, this token are going to grow maybe 100 to 1000 times, very much possible. The fifth topic I'm going to take now about education, investment, and business opportunity. Now, by considering all the previous topics which I spoke, and now if you want to take an advantage, if you want to learn and apply and make some wealth, then I have an option for you in the name of company called MarketPeak, and MarketPeak is going to provide you an opportunity to execute whatever learnings you want to take and you want to make some wealth. So MarketPeak is a hybrid financial publication platform provides the services like the first service what we provide for people like you, education of blockchain and crypto, DeFi, and related products and services. Secondly, we are providing you tools and services subjected to your own applications, on usage, like a DeFi mobile application, DeFi platforms, and decentralized exchange, and also the access to fintech projects and tokenized assets to do a fund management or your fund portfolio management. And also, we provide a digital asset management and utility gateway for native and open community. This is our three key pillars as a business. And apart from that, we are almost more than 1 year old company into market. And apart from that, we also an emerging affiliate marketing company where you will get the passive source of income creation opportunity via this application. So Market Peak is nothing but 360-degree all one-stop solution from education, from the tools and services and wallet management system, and also business opportunity portfolio program. Now, what is MarketPeak? MarketPeak is a registered technology company from United Arab Emirates. We have our office in Dubai Silicon Oasis, and we also registered from Malta and Nigeria. As of now, we have uh, uh, grown into more than 50 plus countries. Mr. Sergey Heck is the founder and CEO of this company. He is an entrepreneur, author, and blockchain expert. As a technology solution and DeFi financial protocol company, we are associated with a blockchain association that is called Malta Financial Service Authority, and also PricewaterhouseCoopers PwC, which is one of the world's largest auditing firm. So we are linked with these uh, companies to do our portfolio management. Now, as other company, we also have our own branded token that is a kind of a share that is called Peak token, which is our native token, and you can find our token on Coin Market Cap. Currently, we are around 700 rank with a market price of approximate 14 cents. If you want to talk about our Peak token, the platform which we built on Peak token is on Ethereum blockchain and developed by the GitHub. You can find us on Ethereum's Etherscan Explorer, and our token is audited by Crypto Maniacs. So you can find us on crypto indexes like a Coin Market Cap, CoinGecko, Blockfolio, World Coin Index, Coin Codex, and we are also listed on public exchange where you can trade these tokens. Exchanges like Buybox, Probit, Coinspeed, P2P, B2B, Uniswap, Balancer. These are the decentralized exchanges. And also to store our tokens, you can use the wallets like a Peak DeFi. It is our own native wallet. You can also use MetaMask, Trust Wallet, etc. So by 2021, the PIC token will be under top 10 and going to be the best network entry token. So there is a big opportunity for you if you are looking for DeFi tokens. So please focus on PIC token as one of the emerging DeFi token of the global decentralized financial market. So as I said, we are the one-stop solution. We also provide you a decentralized financial applications in the form of mobile wallet that you can download from the Google Play Store or Apple stores. And this app is very unique compared to other apps which is existing in the market because compared to other app, we are providing the features like a send and receive tokens, and very especially we are providing swapping and exchange services in the same applications. Also you can do a staking of the your tokens, any kind of tokens, and also you can participate from this exchange into any kind of a DeFi project. So this is it's one kind of a unique application which is still not available in other applications. So we are one of the first complete solution providing applications for you, and you can do multi functions through this application. Now, as a biggest change or opportunity, what we are bringing to the global crypto market is our Peak DeFi protocols. So Peak DeFi platform, it is meant for fintech projects and token assets to raise crowdfunding via native and community applications. So MarketPeak is developing its own Peak DeFi platform on Ethereum blockchain, where we are going to provide very big services in this industry, just like a digital asset management. Secondly, the infrastructure bonds. Third, the hospitals and healthcare institutions. And the fourth is sustainable resources projects. Now, all these projects are very, very big projects, and these projects, if it is published as a smart contract or tokens on our DeFi platform, so the MarketPeak DeFi platform is going to get big amount of fundings in the form of $1 billion. So anybody from the open market community who has ERC20 tokens, they can participate, they can enter into a big DeFi platform without any restrictions, without any custodial approval, completely decentralized way. They can choose any project, they can uh, place their asset in any projects and get back or come out from the projects anytime, and with some profits, ROI divide dividends in the different forms, or again in the form of ERC20 tokens. So in this way, this platform is going to be the world's biggest financial platform where the multi-billion dollars of crowdfunding expected. And when we get more and more funding on our platform, definitely the price of peak token will go to the moon. And this platform is getting launched in November. this year 2020. Now, apart from that, as a utility point of view, you can use the peak tokens to to buy any items from the vending machine, or also you can use peak token as a utility token on a mobile POS systems by our partner iWentPay. Currently, this partner is active in Hong Kong, and very soon the services are also deployed in Japan, Singapore, UAE, and other countries. So you can use the peak token for any kind of utility services in future. Now, the last part I'm going to cover in the investment part of you. Now, if you there is an opportunity for you to grow your fund with MarketPeak. Yes, if you participate in MarketPeak's peak token program, you can make up to 10 times growth on your package value. And the MarketPeak has a very unique growth program called Systematic Incremental Profit Growth Program, where you can make minimum 25% average ROI per month. So this is only possible because of the price growth of the peak token, and let's understand how the peak token price is going to grow in next 3 years in a minimum way. We started at $0.05 in May 2019 as a pre-launch, but officially we launched in February 2020. From then until now, the price has grown up to $0.142. That means approximately three time value has grown now. And our expectation by December 2020, the price will hit at least 50 cents, and December 2021 it will go at least $2, and December 2022 minimum $10, and December 2023 it will be approximately $50. So if anybody buy the token now, so there's a chance of getting his returns or growth approximately 5 to 100 times by 2023. Okay, so this is one of the best growth program going to get any individual in crypto industry, even though if he doesn't have any knowledge about the industry. How we are going to grow? We are going to grow in different format like parameters. We are focused on community growth. We are focusing on growing the community, and we get profit from the listed projects and products. We also get a benefit and demand from the our peak token usage on DeFi platform. We are getting very good attractions from the media attentions, and also we are more on innovation of technology that will help us to raise our price to the higher level. So these are the key elements where how we feel our prices, and this is the minimum expectation of the prices you can see in next 2 to 3 years. Now, to buy a peak token, you need to register as a free community member in MarketPeak with an invitation link. The invitation link will be given to the introducer or by the person who is sharing this video with you or contact to us. The second step is like you need to buy a education package from MarketPeak, and in each every package you will get a peak token as a reward. So these are our different types of education package. The first package is affiliate, the cost is $125, and second package is marketeer $750. Third package is all in one $2,000. Fourth package is enterprise package $4,500. Fifth package is silver, $7,500. Sixth package is a gold, $10,000, and the seventh package is diamond, $15,000. So in every package, you will be getting a reward token based on our current running price as on 12 September 20, that is $0.142. It may be more in future. So based on this value, you will be getting the equivalent value or amount of token as a reward token under the education package, and these tokens are tradable. And with this token, you can take out your investment along with education in multiple times. So every package you get different amount of tokens as per the current price. You can see in the screen, and maybe you can check on a live on a website. Along with that, because you are becoming a privileged member, additionally company will give you bonus tokens, and that bonus tokens will be given you from the first month to 12 month of the package. So that will be approximately minimum 2.5% on our smaller education package, and if you go to the biggest education package you can get up to 7% per month extra bonus token. So these all tokens are available you only after the minting. So minting of token will start as soon as you buy this education package, and to get your reward token plus the bonus token. Total token minting will take approximate 32 months. So I will explain you in detail in separate session about how the minting happens. But total to get complete tokens, you need 32 months. Once you choose these packages, also you intended to do business with MarketPeaks affiliate program and earn passive source of income globally. Now, the minting process, like as I said, once you buy any package, you get tokens in the form of reward and bonus. To get all the tokens as a minted, so it will take 32 months. So how does this program work? First of all, you need to buy education package. As soon as you buy an education package, the minting program of this token start, and that will continue up to 32 months. But in the first 12 months of the program, you will get your bonus token, which is allocated on every package as a privilege benefit for you. And you can see in every package as 2.5% to maximum 7% per month, and annually it is 30% to 84%. Every month you get these tokens, and these tokens are tradable. Means these tokens are matured. Every month, once you get, you can sell this token on our different listed exchange, and you can take out our benefit every month. Now, after 12 months, your actual token that we call reward token start getting minted, and that will get minted at the rate of 5% per month. So on every page it is 5%, and all 100% token will get minted in 20 months. So totally in this way, there is a total cycle of 32 months to get all your tokens, and every month you can sell your tokens on the exchange, and you can take out your benefit without any long holding or long risk. So this is our minting process, and this is also called as a SIPG program. And with the SIPG program, the amount what you expect in 32 months as a return, that could be in this range. Now, because every month you get different token price of the peak, so there is a high chance that in 32 months you get different 32 rates of the peak. So now if you average out complete 32 months rate of the peak, so you get an average price, and based on the average price we have considered this table here. Now if you choose any package and you get tokens at current price point $142, so based on this quantity of the tokens and the bonus tokens in 32 months, assume that if your average price of peak token is around $0.5, that means in this case, say example, if you bought a package of $125, your total earning in 32 months will be $572. If the average price of a token, if you get $1, then your earning could be 1,000 plus dollars. If it is $2, more than $2,000. If it is $5, approximate $5,700. If it is $10, maybe $11,000, and maybe if it is $100, so you may get more than 1 lakh dollar over here. So in this way, for every respective package, you can check the different price possibilities here in this example. So what we can assure here is, if not very bad or very good, on an average side, if the average price of the peak token, if you get $1, then this could be your potential earning in 32 months cumulatively. So this is overall earning you are making from the peak tokens SIPG program. Now finally, if you like this system, definitely along with education, along with the growth, then there is a business opportunity for you. You can build long term and sustainable career with affiliate marketing program of MarketPeak, because this is the company of career building. So what are the affiliate bonuses you will get if you market this opportunity to your friends and family and any people in a globally? You will are going to get excellent incentive model to earn recurring passive source of income. So once you build a team, you can keep getting the income from them again and again via our affiliate marketing plan in a 5 ways. The five types of bonuses are like direct sales bonus, cycle step bonus, generation matching bonus, career bonus, and global pool bonus. In every sector, all the bonuses will be paid in BTC, and the bonuses will be paid every week here. So in this way, company will share approximately 56% of their turnover in this opportunity, and also you get an opportunity to earn unlimited BTC from this business opportunity and marketing plan. So we'll go one by one. The first bonus is direct sales bonus, where you get up to 20% direct referral bonus from your direct and indirect team in single leg. So you can have multiple legs also. So level one is 10%, level two is 4%, level three, 4, 5, sorry, level three is 2%, level 4, 5, 6 is 1%, and level 7 and 8.5% each. Second income is cycle step bonus. We also called as a binary. So here you'll be having two legs, and one is called stronger leg and one is called weaker leg. When weaker leg volume matches with stronger leg with minimum $1,000 of business, then there will be a matching of 8%. So you will get 8% binary in that matching, and this is happening every day, maybe every times, and it is closed weekly here. Third is matching bonus. Matching bonus means you will be earning on your downline's binary income. And this is possible from level 1 team till level 5 team. So whatever number of people are there from level 1 to level 5, if they earn binary, so you are going to get minimum 5%, sorry, flat 5% on their earnings every week. Fourth is the career bonus, which is the biggest income. Here you have options to achieve the career based on your team business. When you achieve the career, company will give you two more income here. One is called cash bonus, that is from $100 to $1 million, and also you will be getting the team turnover bonus once you achieve any respective ranks, minimum from 4% to up to maximum 21% on your team turnover. So there are 10 ranks: newbie, rookie, intermediate, advanced, professional, leader, top leader, mentor, star, and superstar. To achieve the first rank, your total team business should reach at least $5,000. Then you will become newbie, and company will reward you $100 a cash reward one time. And now onward, whatever new business comes under your one leg or multiple leg, you get 4% of that business in that particular week. If you have one surplus peak token, you get 5% extra. I mean, your team turnover bonus will increase to 5%. Now the second rank is rookie. To become rookie, your team business should cross $15,000 with having two newbies under you each, one in each leg. So that time you will be called as rookie. Once you become rookie, you get $300 cash reward one more time and 6% team turnover bonus now onward on your team business, either single leg or multiple leg. And if you have a 9,000 peak token in your account, you get 8% instead of 6%. So in this way, third rank intermediate, you need to achieve $1 business cumulatively, or maybe $75,000 business with the terms and condition. Then you will achieve intermediate rank, and then you will get one more time cash reward of $2,000. And now team turnover bonus is 8%, minimum, maximum 10% if you hold 20,000 peak token in your wallet. So in this way, as your team business increases, your rank also increases, your cash bonus also increases up to 1 million. So totally, you will be getting $2.2 million cash reward, and as the rank goes up, your career income will also grow up to 21% per week on your team turnover. So this is the fourth rank, fourth bonus, and once you reach superstar, then you will be qualifying for the fifth income called global bonus pool. Now in global pool bonus, you will get on company turnover minimum 3% to maximum 5% based on the global pool stages. So here, whatever the pool amount is taken out, from that amount, equal distribution will be done for the people who qualified in the global bonus pool or bonus. So in this way, company will pay you five types of incomes in a marketing plan. So based on your type of package, you will be entitled for the earnings. So first of all, user is completely free. If you want, even though if you are free, you if you refer anybody with a paid package, then you will get one level of income as a referral. Then second is the affiliate. If you buy a package of $125, then you will get 8 level referral and 4% binary. No other income will be given. The third package is marketeer, $750. You can upgrade from 120 to 750. In this package, you get 8 level referral, 8% binary, up to 5 level generation matching bonus. No other income will be allocated in this. The fourth package is all in one. The cost is $2,000. You can upgrade from 125 to 2000 or 750 to 2000 by paying differential payment. Here you get 8 level direct referral income, binary 8%, matching bonus up to 5 level 5% each, and career bonus also opens here up to 10th level, and also you're entered for the global pool bonus. So in this way, all in one package will give you complete income in this marketing plan. Other packages like enterprise, silver, gold, diamond, they are also giving the same income opportunity for marketing as a higher packages. Now, finally, accomplishment, dear viewers, we are 1+ years now in a business, and in this 1 year, 1+ year, we have built a strong foundation for our business, and with that foundation, we are ready for next 10 years. And our the current goal is we want to grow our community up to 50,000 members by end of 2020, and peak token price around $0.75 to $1 is our short-term goals to grow. Finally, I request you to join our community as a free member or paid member. Visit our website www.marketpeak.com. Please ask for the referral link, the person who has shared this video, or contact us, and make yourselves to earn at least 10 times on an investment with our complete ecosystem, and also earn unlimited BTC with our business opportunity. With that, I thank you for all viewers for spending time on this video and understanding the complete ecosystem of digital asset, blockchain, decentralized finance, and the opportunity by MarketPeak. Shaping your future via MarketPeak. Thank you so much. Before I leave, I request once again, don't forget to like our Facebook fan page at Team Fortune Plus MP, and subscribe our YouTube channel MarketPeak dash Team Fortune Plus. Thank you so much. See you again. Please like, share, and comment on this video. See you again. Bye bye.